So guys, video goes hands-on with iPhone 10 Plus, which has 6.5-inch screen size, and iPhone 9, which has 6.1-inch screen size. Both dummy units and cases are available now. These are rumored to be the next iPhone models Apple unveiled this fall. The video was sent in to 9to5Mac by friend of the site, Shemi Zerachi, who has shared accurate dummies for iPhones in the year past. There have already been countless reports and rumored about the upcoming iPhones, many of which mirror the specs shown the alleged mock-ups in the video. The video shows the device compared to current model iPhone, including the iPhone 10. Also featured in the video are cases on the dummy models from accessory maker Sketch, indicating that case companies are already investing in the device in the designs here ahead of an official announcement from Apple expected this September. So compared to the iPhone 7 Plus in the video, we see that the mock-up for the iPhone 10 Plus is actually about the same physical size but with a larger 6.5-inch display. That's of course made possible by the iPhone 10 design losing the larger bezels featured on the iPhone 7 Plus or on the iPhone 8 Plus. So the 6.5-inch model rumored for the lineup is expected to be Apple's entry-level offering, and according to recent reports could come along an overall price drop for the new iPhone lineup with a $700 starting price. Earlier this month, we saw alleged schematics for device surface and that lineup, with earlier reports claiming that the device will feature an edge-to-edge iPhone 10-like display and a single rear camera compared to the high-end models with dual cameras. So guys, also we have a nasty surprises. Great secret features and nasty surprises are my regular columns investigating the best features, biggest problems hidden behind the headline. Bloomberg reports Apple will source OLED panel for its flagship 6.5-inch iPhone 10 Plus from LG rather than Samsung. The driver behind this is said to be cost, with Apple looking to gain leverage in prices negotiation with Samsung, the sole supplier of OLED displays for iPhone 10. So guys, what's your thoughts on this news? Please let me know your thoughts in comments down below. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe the channel for daily tech videos and camera comparisons. Having said that, thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.